Alrighty guys, guess where we are right now? We are at Museum of the Future here in Dubai. Actually looks massive. Anywho, the situation right now is that we're here at the Museum of the Future in Dubai. However, on their website they are fully booked for like the next week or two. That's how busy they are. We're here anyway with no tickets. Oh my god, it is so busy. So busy, I can see the queues in there already. I'm not sure we can get tickets. So, let's fingers crossed. Let's cross our fingers now. The queue is absolutely huge. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Buy tickets, entry tickets, 149 dirhams, and we're gonna have 2 of those. Oh, fingers crossed. Next. Oh, great.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We have got our wristbands. So guys, these are like gorgeous. Look at that wristband. Yeah, so usually entry price is around about 149 dirhams. However, we did pay a little bit more to get these wristbands, but it's totally worth it because we're here anyway. So we were like, let's just get the wristbands and come on in. Yeah, Sai's really happy today. He's in a very positive mood.
Always.
Oh. Okay, as you do, you see this floating rocket dolphin. I don't even know what it is. Let me try and zoom in. What is that? Look at me. I'm in a spacesuit. This is so funny. I'm gonna go into space. Okay, I'm gonna apply. Wow, look, it's me! Yeah, I've just applied to go into space to do a mission. Welcome to the next bit, to the forest. We are going to the rainforest.
Help them to survive the harsh environment. I will use this.
Whoa, look at all these lights. Look at all this. Got trees and different types of plants. Oh, I like that one, it's like a palm tree. So many of them, like thousands and thousands and thousands of lights. So beautiful. Look at us. Oh yeah, I might as well do my outfit of the day if you can actually see me. Simon's just there having the time of his life. But I have, so just take my bag off, my River Island play suit on, but it actually looks like I've got a skirt, but it's not. Also got a River Island belt as well, chain belt. And my Steve Madden heels. Actually not heels, they're sandals. But yeah, that's my outfit of the day. But look at all this, it feels really squidgy. I love this mirror, look at this mirror. Meditating now. Apparently to keep you calm, you need to hum, like hum. And it reduces blood pressure and reduces inflammation. So we're meditating now. We're in the pubs and we're going down, down, down. Sorry, I've got a sweet in my mouth right now.
Tomorrow today.
And it's going out. Wow, look at this, it's the car of the future. Whoa, look at it from out here. So we're on the balcony right now at the Museum of the Future. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning here. Look at that. I feel like I could actually touch that, but obviously it's very high up. And on the other side, so beautiful standing on this balcony. Breathtaking views. Wow. It is really hot right now standing out here. But yeah, this is the infamous balcony here at the Museum of the Future. Right, so I just had pro photos taken and I ended up buying it. Let me just show you. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! Look at that. I just love this picture. Here at the Museum of the Future here in Dubai. That's me and Simon. Love it.